अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our Madani Qaida lesson. Today we will learn Sakin letter or silent letter. In this video we will learn Sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. I daily upload a video. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is sukoon or jazm, what is sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent, what is mutaharrik letter, and how do we pronounce the sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent. What is sukoon or jazm? This sign is called sukoon or jazm sign. In an Arabic accent, this sign is called sukoon or jazm sign. What is sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent? A letter which has sukoon or jazm sign. This is sukoon or jazm sign. That letter is called sakin letter or silent letter. Any letter which has this sign on it, that letter is called sakin letter or silent letter. This sign is always placed above the letter or top of the letter. What is mutaharrik letter? In an Arabic accent, the letter which has zabar, zair or pesh on it or below it, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. Any letter which has zabar or zair or pesh on it or below it, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. How do we pronounce the sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent? The sakin letter or silent letter is pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. The sakin letter or silent letter is pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. Let's see the example of sakin letter with the mutaharrik letter. This is zal is sakin letter because it has jazm sign or sukoon sign on it. And this is hamza. This is mutaharrik letter because it has zabar on it. This is hamza mutaharrik letter because it has zair below it. This is hamza mutaharrik letter because it has pesh on it. This sakin letter will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. How do we pronounce sakin letter with the mutaharrik letter? Let's learn. Hamza, zal, zabar, alf. Hamza, zal, zir, ir. Hamza, zal, pesh, ud. al, il, ol, al, il, ol, al, il, ol. Once again, how do we pronounce the second letter with mutaharrik letter? Hamza, Zal, Rubber, Al, Hamza, Zal, Re, Ir, Hamza, Zal, Pesh, Ul, Al, Ir, Ul. This is the example of second letter pronounced with mutaharrik letter. Thanks for watching. I upload daily a video on YouTube. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.